How to log in Canva account, canva.com sign-in tutorial. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log into Canva account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log into Canva account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go to canva.com and then you're going to see this type of interface over here, right? Then once you log into Canva over here and then you open the Canva app, if you want to learn how to log in, it's very simple. You can choose to continue with Google or tap and continue another way and try to continue with Google, Facebook, Microsoft, or whatever other. You can log in with mobile number or you can continue with email address depending on what is it. Just make sure to enter your respective email addresses, and then you'll be able to log in. Or if you want to log into an existing account, you can just tap on Canva continue option and then you'll be able to log into your existing account. This way you should be able to log into Canva account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.